In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix product activation failed in Microsoft Excel. When you open Excel and see a red title bar or a message saying product activation failed, it usually means that Excel isn't properly activated with your Microsoft account or license. If it's not activated, some features may be disabled, or the app may eventually stop working altogether. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key things you should check and adjust to get Excel activated again. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Look at the top of the window. If you see product activation failed or a message about activating Office, that confirms the issue we're solving. Next, we'll go to the account page inside Excel. In the top left corner, click on File. This opens the Excel Backstage view. On the left side, look for the option labeled Account and click it. This is where you can see the current activation status of your Office apps, including Excel. On the Account page, check what's displayed under Product Information. If it says Product Activation Failed or Unlicensed Product, Excel isn't linked to a valid license right now. If you see a button like Activate Product or Fix Account, go ahead and click that. Excel may prompt you to sign in with a Microsoft account that has an active Office subscription or license. When the sign-in window appears, enter the email address associated with your Office purchase or subscription. Make sure this is the same account you used when you originally bought or activated Microsoft 365 or Office. After signing in, Excel will attempt to verify your license online. Give it a few moments to complete this process. If you're already signed in, but activation is still failing, click on the Switch Account or Sign Out option on the Account page. Then sign back in with the correct account. Sometimes Excel is simply using the wrong profile and needs to be refreshed with the proper one. Once you've signed in with the correct account, close Excel completely, then reopen it. Go back to File, then Account, and check Product Information again. If the activation succeeded, the product activation failed message should be gone, and you should see that Excel is now activated with your Microsoft subscription or license. If the message is still there, make sure your internet connection is stable. Then repeat the sign-in process. You may also want to restart your computer and try again. That's it for this tutorial on how to fix product activation failed in Microsoft Excel.